Guided activities are lightweight projects intended to help you and your students learn how to use Express in just a few easy steps. Each guided activity includes a template, a video, and written instructions to help you and your students learn how to use Express quickly and create a fun project at the same time. You can find guided activities on your home screen. Just scroll down here. You can also find them in Educator Resources. Once you click on a guided activity, it will open up with a Learn panel on the right. Each activity has a short video and steps to guide you and your students through an easy and fun process of learning while engaging with digital tools. You can pop out the video and turn on the closed captioning in English and in Spanish. You can remind students that they can pause and re-watch different steps so they can work at their own pace and edit along with the video. Below the video, there are step-by-step instructions with images and linked terms to help you and your students navigate the editor even better. Once you have finished the instructions, click Next and see a celebration of confetti where we call out the skills you have learned during this activity. When you press Download, Express will share the best file type for your design. When you press Share, a link of your unique design will automatically copy to your clipboard. You can also share the guided activity by pressing the chain link icon on the right of the activity on your home screen or in Educator Resources.